Hello and welcome to the Portability across high-performance edge nodes screencast. In this screencast, we will walk through a process of migration between two heterogeneous HPC edge nodes managed by OpenNebula 7.2. One host is a standard HPC node running the 8-core AMD EPYC-4344P on Zen 4. The other one is a more capable HPC class node with the 16-core AMD EPYC 8124P on the Zen 4C high-density variant. The workload that we are running is a real AI inference service, vLLM serving the EuroLLM Open European Language Model over an OpenAI-compatible API. The main goal is to move it from the OVH-UK00 node to the Scaleway O1 node while keeping the same model, the same QCal2 disk, and the same public endpoint reachable through a stable WireGuard overlay address. The HPC edge environments are heterogeneous by design. Different vendors, different SIMD baselines, and very different core and memory budgets sit side by side. The AI inference workloads must land on the most capable hardware available, but they also need to stay relocatable when an edge site fills up or goes down for maintenance. Standard cloud provisioning is not built for that class of mismatched hardware. OpenNebula 7.2 addresses this by treating the workload as a portable artifact. The VM uses an x86-64v3 CPU baseline that runs identically across heterogeneous AMD EPYC silicon. The model waits and the inference runtime travels inside the QCal2 system disk, and the public API endpoint stays stable through a WireGuard overlay address that survives the migration. We demonstrate the effectiveness of this architecture by migrating a vLLM appliance serving the EuroLLM model orchestrated by a single OpenNebula frontend. The cluster consists of two nodes that are deliberately mismatched. OVH-UK00 is the edge class node, an AMD EPYC 4344P with 8 cores and 16 threads at 3.8 GHz on the Zen 4 generation. Scaleway O1 is the HPC class node, an AMD EPYC 8124P with 16 cores and 33 threads at 2.45 GHz on the newer high-density Zen 4C. Both are registered as KVM hypervisors under the same OpenNebula frontend. These two hosts do not share a system data store, so the migration we are about to perform is a cold one. The vLLM virtual machine exposes its API through the WireGuard overlay address that is independent of the underlying physical host, and that is what keeps the public endpoint stable across the move. The migration breaks down into 4 steps that we will walk through one at a time. The first step is to deploy the vLLM appliance on the AVH-UK00 and let it pull the EuroLLM model. The second step is to confirm that the OpenAI compatible API responds through the WireGuard endpoint with a real chat completion. As the third step, we must trigger the cold migration to Scaleway O1. OpenNebula gracefully powers off the virtual machine, transfers the QCal2 disk over the Secure Shell protocol, and boots it on the new host. The last, fourth step is to verify that the same model is serving on Scaleway O1 with the same WireGuard endpoint, the same QCal2 disk, and no client-side reconfiguration. We sign into Sunstone as one admin and navigate to infrastructure hosts. Two HPC KVM hosts are registered. The Scaleway O1, the HPC class node with the EPYC 8124P on the newer EPYC Genoa baseline. OVH-UK00, the Edge class node with the AMD EPYC 4344P under the EPYC Rome libvirt baseline. Both are managed by the same OpenNebula frontend. By navigating to instances VMs, the vLLM appliance is already running on the OVH-UK00. 8 vCPUs and 16 GB of memory are reachable through the WireGuard overlay address. We open the terminal and launch a small vLLM chat client pointed at that overlay address that is listening on a port 8000. A prompt like explain workload portability in 2 sentences streams back the real answer from the EuroLLM model at around 10 tokens per second. The service is alive and serving as expected. In the second terminal tab, we will start the watcher. Every few seconds, it prints the current host, the virtual machine lifecycle state, and the tailscape overlay IP. Right now, it shows host equals to OVH-UK00 LCM equals running and the public IP. The watcher is our continuity probe across the migration window. Back to Sunstone, from the virtual machine actions drop-down menu, we select migrate. As the destination host, we must select Scaleway 01 and confirm it. The virtual machine state guides us through the migration process. Firstly, we go to the Save Migrate state. Then prolog migrate while the queuecode to disk is transferred over the secure shell protocol between two hosts. Then we can see the boot migrate state and finally back to running on a newer host. Through the move, the tailscale overlay IP remains the same as the one before the migration. In Sunstone, we can confirm that the virtual machine is in running state again. The host field now reads Scaleway 01 instead of OVHUK00. And the chat client is still alive on the same endpoint. We're repeatedly prompting the EuroLLM, and this time it answers while being located on a different host. The performance on a new host is roughly 11.5 tokens per second due to running on a more capable Zen 4C silicon. This screencast was developed in the scope of EPYC-CIS project. Thank you for watching and see you in the next screencast.